All right, guys, it's your boy Nomad. So it's winter time, guys. It's January 22nd, 23rd, whatever it is. And guys, I've been kind of tapping out. It's been crazy cold out, and I've haven't been doing a lot of fishing, but I've been working on tying a bunch of jigs and trying to expand on that skill set just a little bit. And either way, that's what we're going to do today, guys. I'm going to tie a crappie jig here. I'm going to tie on some neck hackle and kind of show you guys the techniques I like to use. Start off, let me adjust the camera a little bit, guys. So I'm going to be tying, this is a 1/8 ounce jig head. It's got a size 1 Aberdeen hook in it. I've put on some 3D eyes, guys. It's painted with some PRO-Tec powder paint. I've did a base coat of orange, put on some white, and they kind of blended together, make a really nice, unique color pattern. So, guys, that's what we're going to start with. So let's get this bobbin threaded up here. Just like so. All right. Take a little bit of glue on that hook shank, not too much. All right, we'll go through and we're going to put a really good base layer of this 210 Denier, and go all the way down to about the hook point and then back up. So a really good base layer. I'll discard the rest. All right, guys, first thing I like to do is, ordinarily I like to put on the flash, but I'm gonna do a little bit different this time. I'm gonna put on a couple little V's. Drop one, caught it with my shoe. That's how good I am. A couple little V's of this neck hackle that I've got here. You guys see how I cut that? So I'm gonna layer up a couple of them here. Right, stack them right on top of each other. Kind of like that, guys. Right, kind of right on top of each other. And put that on there. Right out here towards the tip. I'll work back to it, make sure that that's good and even. A couple loose wraps first. Make sure that's right where I want it. And then I'll secure it. Just like so. All right, good, very good. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do next is I've got about 3 hackle tips here, just like that, right there. I've got one that's kind of that canary yellow, and then I've got kind of a burgundy. It's like that right there. I'm gonna stack these on top of each other. I'm going to use 2 burgundies and the fluorescent, or the canary. I'm going to stack them right on top of each other, make a little sandwich with the canary in the middle. Make sure it's not going to be too long. Nah, it looks good. Loose wraps to begin with, and I want these to be able to fan out, so just a little bit. Secure that in place. There we go. Very good. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put on String that up. All right, just like so. I'm gonna take and put on my flash. You know how we do it. And I'm gonna put a pretty good little chunk of this flash on there, guys. Just even up my tips just a little bit. I'll put that right there on top, just like that. Very good. I like the way that looks. Try to build up this end just a little bit. Get everything good and secured, just like that. All right. I'm gonna go through, guys, and use this yellow chenille here. This is a little bit thinner chenille, so it will probably end up making a couple laps on it. That's okay. What you want to do real quick is make sure I get a good base coat of this. Hang my bobbin. We'll spin this thing around, and we're going to pull this up and make sure that it's good and tight as we're putting it on, because we're going to go a couple coats, a couple laps on here, guys. All right. Bobbin adjusted a little bit better. All right. Cut off that excess chenille, just like so. Let's go through here and grab our finishing tool, whip finisher here. Well, just a second. Hang on. I'm gonna put just a drop of this glue right there. Very good. Now we'll whip finish it, just like we always do, guys. Good and tight. Clip off the excess. Alright, now I'm going to take, guys, I'm going to put just a little coat of clear over the top of this thing so that our eyes that we glued on will have a protective coat over the outside of them. This will also help it pop a little more. Guys, I'm going to invest in UV resin too, so I'll be getting that in the coming weeks, and I'll be trying it out along with some stretch tubing, things like that, guys. And I just want to continue to experiment, see what I like. and see what works for me. Go through and clear out this hole. There we go. There we go. Very good. Let's pop this out real quick. Show you guys our finished product. A little hair there. All right, very good, guys. Adjust this up just a little bit. And let's take a look at it. Not too bad, guys. That'll fish, no doubt about it. All right, guys, so that's it. It's pretty simple. That's going to be a very effective jig for us. If you guys have any questions about anything I'm using, just hit me up. I'll put a little bit in the description, but if you guys have something beyond that, hit me up, guys. I try to respond to messages, comments as quickly as I can. But if you hit me with a comment and it's a question, something like that, I will get back to you. Guys, I appreciate it. Again, very humbled by anybody that's willing to watch the videos that I put up. So guys, thanks again. You know, stay warm out there, tight lines, and guys, don't forget, life is good. Nomad out.